Hey friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and very beautiful because in this video I am sharing unique, extremely eye-catchy and stylish designs of DIY hand embroidery face masks. Friends, the basic purpose of my today's video is to persuade you, to request you to please take care of yourselves because the fourth wave of coronavirus COVID-19 is in its full wave and it is again massively affecting human community, human lives. So in these difficult times I have a simple request to you that please make a habit of wearing masks. And the beauty of these very beautiful design ideas of hand embroidered, handmade, handcrafted masks is that it would persuade you to make a habit of wearing masks while going out because they are very beautiful, classy, and they would give unique and eye-catchy touch to your classy outfits as well. So friends, I hope that I have tried my level best and I have shared very beautiful and amazingly eye-catchy design ideas of face masks. All of these masks are suitable for every age group, for every gender, persons like male, female, and children, adults, teenagers as well. So these are reusable, they are cost friendly, they are washable, they are made from pure organic cotton linen fabric to make the wearer stylish, classy, and at the same time to give the wearer a comfortable and light look. So I hope that you have enjoyed my today's collection, and please do try these patterns at home if you are an embroidery artist, an embroidery beginner, or an embroidery lover. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then friends, please take care of yourselves, and if you really like my video then don't forget to like, and if you are new to my channel don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest trendy ideas related to women fashion. And the very beautiful face masks shown in this whole collection, you can also buy them from Grace Craft Store, and you can also buy them from Etsy and Amazon as well. So thank you so much for watching.